So everyone's been really talented so far, and I don't have any talents, so I'm kind of nervous as hell. Oh my god, this chat is way too quick. Why is this chat so quick? Yeah, I am really nervous. Thank you. You know what? I'm so glad you pointed that out in the chat. Thank you, chatter. Whoever said that. I didn't realize I was nervous. I appreciate it. Oh, actually, I'm going to take off my hat because I made myself a little pointer so I can point at things. Let's go to the next slide. My likes and dislikes. So, first up, I really, really love Magnums. Honestly, the taste of Magnums in my mouth, oh my. I swear, a big Magnum. What? What are you talking about? Wait, I'm talking about the ice cream Magnums, okay? Ice cream, not the condoms. Ice cream. Okay, next slide. Wait, I just realized. Hold on. I just realized. I don't like being bullied, okay? This just, it just happens to like correlate somehow. I didn't even think about it. I don't like being bullied, all right? Okay, I'm not like a masochist or something. All right. Oh, but to touch upon my accent, by the way, you might have noticed I have a slightly different British accent to most. I have a dying accent called Cockney. You know, most people will pronounce stuff like bottle of water, but I say bottle of water. The accent, people don't really speak like this anymore. It's not actually common in the UK. I do try to hide it because I think it's quite embarrassing. It is quite embarrassing, so I do try to hide it a lot. If it does come up and I do say something quite Cockney, then please don't point it out and just ignore it, okay? It never happened, all right? Never. Is there anything you guys would want me to say, actually, in my accent? I wouldn't mind saying it for you so you can hear what it sounds like. Because I know some people might enjoy that. Bark? I'm not gonna bark. What? Do you think I'm that much of a bottom? Do you really want me to bark? Oh, wait, let me retry that. Was that good? Was that a good enough bark? Keep going. Wait. Elira and Oliver Sensei just said keep it up and keep going. What? 3 more? Shoo, what are you... Okay. I'm making myself look like a fool, man. Oh, yeah. If one more person calls me a bottom in the chat, I swear to God. I swear to God. What was I saying? Whoever said that, you just threw me right off, man. Why are you calling me a bottom? I'm not a bottom. Stop. Guys. All right, look at me. Look at me in the eyes. I am a top. I'm not a bottom. I'm a top. Bottom eyes? What is that? Bottom eyes. Smash that like button. Hit that subscribe button, please. And turn on the notification bell. See you guys later. Okay, bye. Bye. Wait, why are you still here? Go away. Leave. Go.